Hey friends, 10.6 is pretty similar to 10.5. We're still talking about line of symmetry. This time you get to draw the lines of symmetry instead of just saying if the line they drew was symmetrical or not. The book is going to ask you to tell me to see if like regular pictures of objects like a bird or a ball or a butterfly have 0, 1, 2 or more lines of symmetry. So you don't have to, you can draw it on there to see, but it really just wants you to get used to kind of looking at the pictures and seeing it. But it's a kind of a rule, but it's also just a little tip to remember. When you have a polygon, which is a closed shape that has equal sides, so for example, if we have a triangle that has 3 equal sides, and it has to be a triangle that has 3 equal sides. If we have a square that has 3 or 4 equal sides, and then if we have a pentagon, now we're going to pretend like Miss Corbin is an excellent drawer and these look equal. So in order for this rule to be true, the sides have to be equal. So remember, our line to show that our sides are equal has to be this. So I'm showing you with our one line that all of these sides are equal. So it has 3 sides. Now, let's see how many angles it has. It has 1, 2, 3. So this has 3 sides that are the same. Has 3 angles that are the same. This one has, I guess those should be right angles, huh? So it has 4 sides and 4 angles. And then this one has 5 sides. And then they have the 5 angles. Now, remember, Ms. Corbin is pretending that all of these sides are equal. So, when it comes to line of symmetry, only with these kinds of shapes, if they have the same length of side. So it has to be equal, otherwise this rule doesn't work. With the line of symmetry, it equals that. So if it has 3 sides that are exactly, that means you have a line of symmetry coming through this angle, you have a line of symmetry coming through this angle, and you have a line of symmetry coming through that angle. So this would have 3 lines of symmetry. Now, same with this one. So we have 1 line of symmetry, 2 lines of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry, 4 lines of symmetry. So this one has 4 lines. Now, same with the 5 one. So we have 1, 2, where's my one? 3, 4, and 5. I had to look hard for that one. That one has 5 lines. So that's something when you're seeing polygons with the same length of sides that you know that then that also means that it has 3 sides that are the same, 3 angles that are the same, 3 lines of symmetry. And that only works on these shapes, not on all shapes. So have fun practicing drawing your lines of symmetry. Remember, it has to be equal on both parts when you fold them.